Chapter 1, Chapter 2, now Chapter 3, now
Chapter 4.
And we see we added this little page 1 of 3 because we have
3 pages.
Wow.
That's a long story.
It is a long story. It's going to look something like this, and I hope you're excited. Let's go. Chapter 4, the depressed door opener.
Oh,
Let's
how
see what
depressed she is. Or,
don't give too much away here, Anne. Okay, who should start?
I guess I will start this time. 你好，我是大妈. Hello, I am 大妈.
I am a big mom.
Big mom.
It also refers to the category of women being in that, maybe, what should we say, 30 to 50 maybe, even a bit older even.
Yeah.
Especially if
42.
they dance on squares.
Yeah.
42 you said?
I mean 40 to 50 maybe.
40 to 50, yes.
Yeah.
And I go, oh, 你好. I'm a bit surprised. Oh, 你好. 你叫什么? What's your name?
我是大妈 I am big mom. 你也可以叫我大妈 You can also call me 大妈
You can. I am big mom. You can also call me big mom.
Yeah. 你做什么工作 What is your job?
我没有工作 I no have work. I don't have a job. Oh no. 我没有工作
你有爱好吗 So obviously he doesn't have a job. What about do you have a hobby? 你有爱好吗爱好
hobby 没有不好意思 No have I don't have that either. I don't have that. Sorry
没关系 It is okay.
It's okay. 你呢你的工作是什么 What is your work? What about you? What is your work? And notice here in the beginning you said
你做什么工作
So what do you do as work? And then I go, what is your work instead? You can obviously go in both ways. So the first one was 你做什么工作 And now it was 你的工作是什么 Your work is what? Wonderful. And you, what's your work going to be? Let's see. Wow.
我是工人我天天打工 I am a worker. I work every day. 打工 usually means something physical.
Because you hit your work, really.
Yeah. But also it can simply means you work for somebody as employee. So you don't own this company. You are just an employee.
Okay, there we go. So you can either do something physical like a construction worker, or when you work for me, Anne, which I hope you do someday, I can say Anne 打工 for me. Thank you very much. So you're a worker and you work every day. 天天 I go 听不懂怎么打 I don't understand. I hear but I can't understand what you're saying. How do you hit? So the 打 here, you're going to notice how the 打 is really, really flexible. It can refer to hitting, it can refer to playing a sport. In this case, 打工 helps us understand that it's work. So I go, how do you work?
天天帮人开门关门 So my work is helping people open the door and close the door.
Wow.
Sounds fancy, huh?
Sounds very fancy, and you've really made it. So you help people every day open and close and open the doors. 你是不是很开心 You are or not. So statement here, or 2 statements, this or this. Are you or are you not very happy? And it turns into a question like that.
不很闷 No, it is very depressed.
Very depressing, very depressed. I go, oh.
That's your response.
And that's my response in lack of other words, in lack of better words.
Okay. 星期三要不要帮我打工 星期三 Wednesday 要不要 Want or don't no.
Yeah, would you fancy? Would you like to? Can you help me? Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Would you like to help me on Wednesday?
Help you what?
Or to 打工
To 打工
to work.
To work or to open the doors. Open and closing doors. Let's see what I say. 可以 Oh, I guess that's a date with Big Mom. 可以 I say can do as in okay. 可以 can also just replace okay, good, that's a deal then. And I go 我喜欢 喜欢 we just learned together with I. 喜欢 means to like, I means to love. So you can just say, if you see something and it's clear what the objective is, you can just say 我喜欢 I like. So the object here is obviously I like to work. I would like to do that. But I just short it down and I say I like. 我喜欢
Then I go 我也喜欢 I like it too.
I like it too. In the same way, just adding a year. Also, I go 好 bye bye.
Then I go bye bye.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm
Sure you want to leave such a honky man behind. Okay, in English now, the depressed door opener.
Okay. 你好
That is perfect English, Anne. Well done.
Okay. Hello, I'm 大妈
Hello. What's your name?
I am 大妈 You can also call me 大妈 What's your job?
I don't have any job. I don't have a job. Sorry. Oh no, I didn't say that yet.
Do you have a hobby then?
No, I don't have a hobby. I don't have any. Sorry.
It's okay.
What about you? What's your work?
I am a worker. I work every day.
I don't understand. How do you work?
Well, I help people to open and close the door every day.
Oh. Are you very happy?
No, it is very depressing.
Oh.
Would you like to help me work on Wednesday?
Yes, I would like that. I like that.
I like that too.
Good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Fantastic. 3 pages already. Now you can sit down back in your sofa and do something else for a while because your Chinese is almost perfect.
Yeah, almost.
Yes. And then you can help us dagong a little bit when you're done with your Chinese. See you later. And bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.